As a forex trader, do you know that there is so much opportunity for you to make money in the Nigerian Stock Exchange? In the past few months, a lot of forex traders have been busy blowing their trading accounts and being frustrated. But you know that within this same period, you could easily have moved that your $100 trading account to $300. And if you have a $1,000 trading account, you could have easily moved it to about $5,000 by trading in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. If you look at this chart on my screen, this is one of the Nigerian stocks that has been performing very well. And this is Cadbury PLC. If you look at it, the chart has been very stable. This is a weekly chart and it's been very stable. From here, this is April 2025. From here to where the market is now, it's around 180% return. Now, can you go and point to me any forex pair that has performed like this in the past 3 months, 3 to 4 months? You would hardly find it, because the market has been reacting to Trump tariffs and all those things. And this is not just an exception. There are many other stocks that have done very well. A lot of people totally stayed away from the Nigerian Stock Exchange, stayed away from it for some reasons. The Naira was so volatile, it was so uncertain. Today, you might see the Naira at a level, tomorrow it has changed, and a lot of people could not just handle it. So the best was to stay away from the Nigerian Stock Exchange. But if you notice, in the past 5 months, Naira is beginning to be very stable around 1,500. This actually is an opportunity for you to consider the Nigerian Stock Exchange. In fact, you should not leave 100% of your capital in the forex market. Consider the Nigerian Stock Exchange as well, whether you are in Nigeria or you are in any part of the world. As far as you're in Nigeria, this can actually work for you. If you have, let's say, 100,000 naira alone, or you have 200,000 naira or 300,000, frankly speaking, if you take that small amount of money and go to the forex market, it's like you are just gambling, right? But with that money, you can actually buy some stocks and keep it there, and it can give you some money profit if you know what you're doing. And to know what you're doing, the knowledge of stock trading is not as complex as that of forex trading. You can analyze the market yourself and actually see some of the stocks that you can buy. And you are asking yourself, okay, how do I go about it? It's very simple. Just like you have a forex trading account with your forex broker, you need to open a stock trading account with the regulated stock brokers in Nigeria. In fact, in Nigeria, stock brokers are more regulated than forex brokers. Okay. Now, another thing you need to understand is most of the investment banks have their apps online. You can just go to App Store or Play Store, download their app, fill in your details, provide your KYC, which is know your customer, your ID card, and your proof of address. Once that is done, you already qualify to buy some Nigerian stocks and hold. And one of the apps that you can download is AfriInvest 2.0, owned by an investment banking firm that actually is properly regulated. And that one is Stanbic IBTC Asset Management. You can check their website or go to Play Store and then or App Store, download their app, and then you can do all that. If you go to the Nigerian Stock Exchange, you will see a lot of stocks you can actually consider. Okay, and then the sectors are many, about 13 sectors, from oil and gas, services, natural resources, food, ICT, healthcare, finance, and a lot of other sectors that you can actually consider. This video is just to create an awareness. If you consider investing in the Nigerian stock market, what I want you to do is to comment interested and like this video. If I see enough reactions, what I'll be doing is that some of the stocks that we are trading, I'll be sharing them every week free. I can even add you guys on the WhatsApp group and then be sending you some of the stocks that we will be taking, and you can trade along with us. Okay, and then if I do not see enough reaction, it means there is not demand for the video, and I won't waste my effort in something that's not in demand. There are also other online apps like Bamboo Real Estate, Trove, and so many other apps that are providing you opportunity for you to invest in the Nigerian stock market, whether you are living in Nigeria or you are living in any part of the world. As far as you have your NIN, you have your other details, that shows you that you are in Nigeria, you are good to go. If you come to the Nigerian Stock Exchange website, you will see the list of all the stocks, okay, and their sectors. There are 145 pages, and you have more than 20 of the stocks in each of the page. So it gives you an opportunity to look wide and pick quality stocks to put in your money and watch it. It's one strategy that I like using. I have this calculator I created that I use to calculate the volatility of all my trading instruments. For example, if I want to invest in a stock like Dangote Cement, this is a weekly chart. I do not go below weekly. When it comes to stock trading, I like to view it as a long-term investment. So while you buy your stocks, you should be able to keep it for up to 3 months, 2 months, or 1 month as a minimum. And this was a good demand zone, which I saw as a good place to buy the stock, and it did well. So now it's even retracing. This is where I am hoping to execute the next trade. I will just go to investing.com website. Type Dangote Cement. You see Dangote Cement PLC. This is the ticker for it. I click on it. Once it opens, I click on historical data to see how it has been trading. Then I change the historical data to monthly because I like to use stocks as a medium-term investment. Copy the data for the past 13 to 14 months. Then take it to the calculator and paste it to calculate the volatility. Looking at it here, for the past 4 months, Dangote Cement has been trading for about 5% every month. Okay, so with 5%, I will just come here and type the entry point where I want to buy that stock from, 480 naira. Then my stop loss will be around 458 naira 40 kobo. Then my take profit will be around 544.78 naira. Okay, so that is to tell you that when I come here, I just target where I am entering, where I will close it stock if it keep going down, and then in the next 3 months where I will be exiting it. And that is a risk reward ratio of 3-to-1. But with what I have seen on the Dangote Cement, if it comes back here and trigger me in, I'll take partial profit when it reaches a risk reward ratio of 1-to-3. Then I will leave the remaining trade to keep running until it hits a risk reward ratio of 15. This is very possible with what I have seen here, the structure that I am seeing here. If this Cadbury PLC you want to invest in, you will go to the investment.com and just search for Cadbury. So if you open Cadbury, it will take you to the historical data. You can just open the historical data as well and do this. I have shown you something that is very important in stock trading that so many people who are there do not just know. You should not just buy your stock and leave it indefinite. 3 months window is a good one. Sometimes you can leave it for 9 months, but by 3 months you should be able to take partial profit. Okay, and then if you have like 5 to 6 different stocks that you are trading in different sectors, and you have done proper analysis of the fundamentals and all the things that can make that stock to perform well, you should be good. Okay, so this is just an introductory video to how you can play a role in Nigerian stock market. And if I see enough reactions in this video, people comment that they want to learn how to trade in the stock market, I'm going to do another video and I'll be giving you update of some stocks that you can buy and trade with. If you are new to my community, my name is David Wekulo, and I teach things related to investment, from forex trading, which is my major area, to stocks, and then I also teach you free tools you will need when you are doing your analysis. Kindly click on the subscribe button to be a part of the community. You can also watch this video to see some investment you can start.